Okay, so now having an issue with the car is getting fuel, but not starting. So a few of my friends told me to check, see if the map sensor is reading on the K Pro. But interior is pretty much back together, y'all. Yeah, got the shifter in. I still gotta get another shifter holder for there. I was able to cut this out so it could sit snug. I gotta get 2 more bolts. Starting to feel like a car. Yep, buddy. What's been going on since the last video, since she started? Now she doesn't start. I didn't really explain this plug, but this is an automatic shell. So with automatic shells, there's a plug right here, connector, where you can jump the 2 middle prongs inside, and that will allow your car to crank, convert from auto to manual. Engine bay got a little messed up because of the fact of the fuel leaks. As you see, it got messed up because of the fuel leaks and stuff. Maybe I could wet sand this. I don't know. I don't want to do it and get fucked up even more. It's an eyesore right now. So this is going on like day 9 of trying to figure out what's going on with this car. Alright, so as you can see right here, it's reading positive pressure. And I think it's this one right here, it's reading 11 pounds of pressure, which is reading options, show boost tables. It's reading boost, and I don't know why. That's not supposed to happen. I tried 3 different map sensors, so I'm gonna go to Jordan house. He said he has an extra map sensor I can use. Hopefully it works. But see what happens.
Like I could run through the fire, I could conquer the night. If I can make it, if I try to draw the red.
For real?
I'm gonna take it out for a ride around the block, maybe. Is that one done here?
Freaking map sensor really reading boost. I don't know why.
I don't know, bro. If that doesn't work, I'll find the other one. But the other one's brand new. I don't know what the fuck I did with it. I bought it from Sonic. I mean, Sonic's right up the street. So you know how this is your thermostat, right? Inside?
Yeah.
So take it out. You know, you pull it back and twist it, it pops out. Cut this nipple off. There's a nipple in here that's kind of like, that moves a little bit.
Yeah.
And then you go in here like this. And you just fucking snap it off, and it'll fucking fly out, and it'll bleed way easier.
Oh, okay.
The thermostat will open way faster. I don't got the jumper pack, so I'm probably not gonna start.
Oh, damn. Well, yeah, she got it at E85 or
X98.
Oh, X98. tomorrow, me and Louis going to the junkyard. Then from there, pick up his motor, take it to New York. He already put in his Integra and picking up the GSR spot from there. Yeah. Just hope you don't have the issues that I had. Okay, so the map sensor I got from Jordan doesn't fit. I guess from the SI, the connector part where it clips into the actual connector is too far apart for my connector for a RSX. So I just took the whole map sensor completely apart. But there was, some of it was exposed a little bit. So also kids, keep all your extra stuff. Like I got harnesses and wires everywhere. Keep all your bolts, keep everything. Got the yellow and red, which will go right here. You need a green and red and a green and white. Green and white right here. Now green and red. Yep, green and red. All right, cut this. And then I need a green and white, which I'm gonna use from here. Bet. Heat shrink tubing, which I'm gonna match everything up to each color. And then heat shrink it to the actual harness. Plug it up and hopefully it runs good, starts up fine, then we're good to go. Damn. I got company, yeah. I can't whistle for shit. there's heat shrinked, got a heat shrink tube around this whole set right here. And these are all color matched. Oh, laptop, make sure it don't end up reading any boost. Okay, keys, where are my keys? Where the hell is my keys? Please don't let nothing else go wrong. Start it up, but it's not staying on. GPS is reading 100%. Alright, so I'm gonna try and just load up a stock TSX map. Upload a stock map, see what happens. You try to start, but nothing. Freaking nothing.
Fuck, like, this thing got a fucking mattress. That shit about to fly off.
What the hell?
That is, I wouldn't be surprised if he gets stopped.
Yeah, that Corolla putting in work though.
Hell yeah, the kid's knocking.
That Corolla putting in work. Look at the baby. Almost done. Almost done.
Halfway done.
Gotta finish the floor.
Last fucking car though. And I mean it. When I get it back, I'm gonna change everything, like new sway bar links and shit. Cause you got that little gap right there to leave it so I can run the cables. What gap? Right here. I know you gotta do more work to them, but right here. Or like right somewhere right here?
Oh no, that's just the bottom part of the floor that gets welded. I didn't weld the whole bottom yet. That's the only thing left to weld.
Okay.
Because the inside's up and then I don't know. I could put a hole there somewhere, but that kind of has
There or the top, either or. Like
what are you gonna put through there?
the shifter cables, yeah. Unless, yeah, I think that's the only solution. Either run through there or in the firewall.
I got mine going through the heater core because my
Obviously,
heater
you
core
got
was
heat,
fucked
but I want
up.
heat.
So you gonna drive yours in the winter?
No.
He only had this car for fucking 3 months anyway.
Stop! Wait, no, I had the car for a year after you did it. Wait, did it? Did I? I don't think that one.
I don't know.
We got the car in March. Yeah.
Yeah.
End of February, early
Well, I
March.
got rid of it after. Which I should have never got rid of it in a way, but
Little bastard.
I just got tired of that bullshit. You already know what it is.
So, what are we hoisting that thing in the truck?
What the hell is this? Oh. It is a dashboard for your car. Why is it green?
Rice and shit.
I didn't know what this was for a second. I'm like, no, wait, I don't think that's your dash. Then I realized, wait, this look like an Integra climate control. And I noticed this.
I'm pissed off.
I thought you liked the green.
Not this green.
Oh, shit. Well, trim black it.
Yeah. That's what I was gonna say.
And also this, too.
Man.
Oh, my God.
Why?
HMO.
These Japanese people are fucking nuts. But you got an engine hoist, right? Your son? Wait, where is it?
I'm just going to pick it up and put it in there.
Oh, we gotta pick it up?
That's what I thought. Well, today was a productive day. GSR transmission, another one. GSR swap. And got a hood today. Just need to be wet, sanded, and buffed. Today was a good day. Layla, I'm taking a break from you. Taking a break. You was stressing me out. Time for Raina to have some shine. So I'm going to try this one more time. All right, so I did the lines completely over. I've got an aeromotive fuel pressure regulator. It's not mounted up yet, as you guys can see, but hopefully it starts. And that's there. Built pressure. Let's see. Finally. Yes, finally. I personally think she's getting jealous of Raina now that she wants to start up. But she know Raina about to have some attention. Raina got a swap. Damn, I just parked the car. God damn, really? Well, I'm gonna close the video out here. If you guys like this video, leave a like, comment, subscribe. And you can see all you need now is just a passenger side fender, a new front bumper, front lip, and she'll look good again. She will look good again. Well, peace out. See ya in the next one.